Scientists in Barcelona have today launched Genigma, a video game that enlists players to solve puzzles while generating real-world scientific data that can detect alterations in genomic sequences and ultimately advance breast cancer research. The game, out today on iOS and Android and available in English, Spanish, Catalan and Italian, is the result of a 2.5-year-long citizen science project developed by a team of researchers at the Centre for Genomic Regulation, CRG, the Centro Nacional de Análisis Genómico, CNAG-CRG, and GA. The game was created to boost worldwide research efforts that depend on cancer cell lines, a critical resource used by scientists to study cancer and test new drugs to treat the disease. One of the limitations of cancer cell lines are a lack of high-resolution genome reference maps, which are necessary to help researchers interpret their scientific results, for example pinpointing the location of genes of therapeutic interest or potential mutation sites. Cell lines are responsible for the discovery of vaccines, chemotherapies for cancer or IVF for infertility. This makes them a pillar of modern biology, explains ICREA research professor Marc A. Martí Renom, with dual affiliation at the CRG and CNAG-CRG and whose research underpins Genigma. However, the lack of genome reference maps limits current scientific progress. It's like asking people to navigate modern cities using maps from the past. With the help of other people, we can update these maps, which will allow us to make fast progress in breast cancer research. Professor Martí Renom's research group has developed methods to create genomic reference maps by visualizing the genome in three-dimensional space. The herd intelligence of players can also provide creative solutions in ways that AI might not be able to. To play Genigma, players have to solve a puzzle involving a string of blocks of different colors and shapes. Players have to reorganize the blocks so that they attain the highest score possible. The higher the number of players and high scores, the higher likelihood that researchers have found the correct sequence for this particular location in the reference map. Anyone with a smartphone from anywhere in the world can download Genigma for free and make a direct contribution to research, lending their logic and dexterity to the service of science, says Elisabetta Broglio, citizen science facilitator at the CRG. The game launches today with a 3-month-long campaign, the #Genigma Challenge. Every week on Monday, for a total period of 3 months, the Genigma team will introduce new genome fragments from the T47D cell line to be arranged by players. The first genome fragments needing to be arranged are from chromosome 17, which contain a high number of breast cancer-related genes. This includes BRCA1, for which mutations have been associated with about 40% of inherited breast cancer. The game was conceived and tested by a diverse group of people from different backgrounds, including researchers, students, teachers, artists, medical professionals, bioethicists, journalists, representatives from patient organizations, artists and game developers. Not only can you combine the universal appeal and popularity of video games to contribute towards advancing medical research, you will also learn more about science. Get a free digital Metabolism Myths issue of New Scientist and discover the 7 things we always get wrong about diet and exercise. Claim yours now. Centre for Genomic Regulation. Players needed to solve puzzles and help advance cancer research. Science Daily, the 27th of January 2022. ift.tt/35weflw. Centre for Genomic Regulation, 2022, January 27th. Players needed to solve puzzles and help advance cancer research. Science Daily, retrieved January 27, 2022 from ift.tt/35weflw. Centre for Genomic Regulation. Please support my channel to grow by pressing subscribe button and the bell icon. We will notify you technological news. Thank you.